Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you SafePal Wallet App review. So you might be wondering, what is SafePal here? Now, SafePal Wallet is a non-custodial cryptocurrency wallet that allows users to store, send, receive, swap, and manage digital assets from a single app. Now, according to the official website here, it supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, BNB chain, and thousands of other cryptocurrencies and tokens across more than 200 blockchains. Now, because it's a non-custodial wallet, your private keys remain under your control, so meaning SafePal does not have access to your crypto assets. Now, one of the app's main features, it supports for multi-chain asset management, along with an integrated crypto swap service, NFT management, Web3 browser, and access to decentralized applications or DApps. Now, the wallet is available on Android and iOS, and also Chrome, Edge, and Firefox. Now, it can also be paired with SafePal's hardware wallet for additional security. Now, the mobile app itself is free to download, while optional hardware wallets such as the SafePal S1 and X1 here are sold separately. Now, getting started is quite straightforward, so you just need to download SafePal Wallet app and then choose whether to create a new wallet or import an existing one. Now, using recovery phrase during setup, you'll receive like 12 to 18 or 24 recovery phrase that should be written down and stored securely, as it's the only way to recover your wallet, just in case you lose access to your device. Now, once your wallet is created, you can receive cryptocurrency by sharing your wallet address, send crypto to another wallet, swap supported tokens, and connect Web3 applications directly from within the app. Now, that's essentially how SafePal works. Now, it gives you full control of your crypto assets while combining wallet management, token swaps, NFT support, and Web3 access into a single application. Now, since it's self-custody wallet, keeping your recovery phrase safe is an essential part of using the wallet because it cannot be recovered by SafePal if it's lost. Now, and that's about it. So for this video, avoid the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.